Hello everyone, I am Chalama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed up to 14 problems. Now this is 15th question. See this question. If P comma Q denote the length of the perpendiculars from the origin on the lines x secant alpha minus y cosecant alpha is equal to A and x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to A cos 2 alpha. P comma Q denotes the length of the perpendiculars from origin to the lines. So here I am going to draw the diagram. This is one line. Here is the origin O 0 comma 0. Origin to this line, perpendicular distance. How much given? P units. What is the first line, students? X secant alpha minus y cosecant alpha minus A is equal to 0. This is first diagram. Next, draw the another one. Now here also perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Now the perpendicular distance is Q. What is the line means? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus A cos 2 alpha is equal to 0. First we know the formula. Perpendicular distance from origin to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the formula? Mod cy under root a square plus b square or not? This is formula. Now, first I am going to first diagram. P is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Modulus minus a divided by under root a square plus b square. That means secant square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. Okay. Now modulus of minus a, that is a divided by secant means write that 1 by cos square plus cosecant means 1 by sin square. Now take the LCM. Denominator we get under root sin square alpha plus cos square alpha divided by cos square alpha sin square alpha. So the LCM is going to numerator, but square root cancel. We get a sin alpha into cos alpha. But observe the denominator under root sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1 or not. Finally, P is equal to a into sin alpha cos alpha. This is first diagram related. Now go to the second diagram related. Q is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Already I am written formula here. Modulus minus a cos 2 alpha divided by under root a square plus b square. A means cos alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Here students observe here denominator cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value how much? 1 or not? Root 1, 1. Overall Q value we are getting a cos 2 alpha. But see the options, each and every option having square. Okay. Now, here I am going to do some calculation. Multiplying on both sides with 2. 2p is equal to a into 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Why I am multiplying with 2? 2 sin alpha cos alpha means formula is there or not? What is the formula? Sin 2 alpha. Now this is think equation 1. This is equation 2. Squaring squaring and adding, equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 left hand side 2p whole square plus equation 2 q square, that is equal to right hand side, see that a sine 2 alpha whole square, that means a sine square 2 alpha plus a square cos square 2 alpha. Now here 4p square plus q square, that is equal to, in both the terms take a square common, remaining sine square 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha, that should be 1. So final answer is 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. This is the answer. This is a very, very important question. 16th one. How to solve this? The distance between two parallel lines, p dash minus p. Equation of one of line is distance between parallel lines. So first draw the two parallel lines. This is one line. This is another line. Distance between these two parallel lines already given. How much? P dash minus p. This is the distance. And one of the line given, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. Then assume that parallel line. How to write the parallel line? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha plus k is equal to 0. So parallel line means, what is the difference? Just only constant. Okay. What is distance between two parallel lines formula? Modulus c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. This is the formula or not? Now distance already given, p dash minus p, that is equal to modulus c1 minus c2. So c1 means I am taking k, c2 means take minus p. No problem, c1 minus p, c2 k, anyone. So minus p minus k divided by under root a square plus b square. X coefficient, observe that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. What is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value? 1 or not? P dash minus p, that is equal to numerator. Take minus common. Modulus is there now. We get p plus k divided by root 1. Remove the modulus. P plus k is equal to plus or minus p dash minus p. First take positive. P plus k is equal to p dash minus p. Then what is k? P dash minus p. These p send right hand side. We get one more minus p. Overall minus 2p. P dash minus 2p. This is k value. If you are taken minus sign, then what happens? See, p plus k, that is equal to minus p dash plus p. P cancel. What we get? K dash k value minus p dash. So we got 2k values. These values substitute in this straight line. So finally, what is the answer, students? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha plus k means I am writing p dash minus 2p is equal to 0, because That is there in options. So which option correct, students? Fourth option. This is also correct only. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p dash is equal to 0. This is also correct, but it is not there in options. Okay. So finally, which option correct, students? Fourth option. The ratio in which the line divides the distance between, here two lines are there. This is one line. This is another line. First line is 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Second line is 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So in between, one more line is set. The ratio in which the line 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 divides the distances between two lines. That means find this distance and this is also. What is the ratio of the distances we need? Okay. For suppose these distance I am taking d1. This is d2. Finally, we need to find d1 is to d2. This is question mark. Okay. Now this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. So distance between parallel lines. Distance between 1 and 2. Distance between 1 and 2. These two are parallel lines. D1, that is equal to, what is distances between two parallel lines formula? Modulus C1 minus C2 divided by under root a square plus b square. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. How much, students? This is 3 by 5. Next, distance between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So the distance I am taken d2 is equal to, apply the same formula, 2 minus of minus plus 5 divided by under root 9 plus 16. Overall, how much, students? 7 by 5. But they are asking the ratio of the distances. That means d1 is to d2. d1 distance how much? 3 by 5. Ratio 7 by 5. In that ratio, any common term is there, eliminate that. 1 by 5 is common now, eliminate. Now the ratio is 3:7. Second option correct. The equations of the line parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is one line. 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the parallel lines. This is one line. This is another line. The distance between the lines, how many units given? 4 units. This is also 4 units. Above the green line, below the green line. There are two lines are possible. Now take the parallel line, 4x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Here k is need. So distance between parallel lines already given 4 units. 4 units is equal to, apply the formula, distance between two parallel lines. 2 minus k modulus 2 minus k divided by under root 16 plus 9, that is modulus 2 minus k divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. 20 is equal to modulus 2 minus k. Plus or minus 20 is equal to 2 minus k. Now you use here two cases. Plus 20 is equal to 2 minus k. Minus 20 is equal to 2 minus k. Students, observe that minus k send left hand side, 20 send right hand side. Here you will get minus 80. Minus k send left hand side k. Now this is 22. Finally, what are the answers? 4x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y plus 22 is equal to 0. There are two cases. Two lines are possible. This is the first line. This is second line. Or downwards first line, upwards second line. See the options. Plus 22 minus 18. Only second option. Students, are you understood how we are finding the equation of straight line, which is parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 and distance between the lines 4 units. Okay, I think all of you understood now.